The HP printer went so well. This is a short video on an old Okidata printer that we have to destroy today, and more mosquitoes because I'm in my backyard again. Steve is doing the rigging, the engineering here. I remembered my selfie stick and a tripod so we can actually get the wide angle, which we didn't get last time for whatever reason. You know, hey, let's go blow up a printer. Oh crap, I forgot all the stuff, but we'll do what we got. So we're gonna jump into it and we're gonna wreck this printer and look at the aftermath. Although I don't think there's a Game Boy in this one.
Okay.
One more hoorah for this thing.
Clear?
Clear. It's modern art now.
Yeah. It's like it's like a little oven down there. Is this a statement for the modernization of technology taking over our lives?
Yes.
And the, I don't know, colorful.
The Game Boy looks different on this one. Different kind of Game Boy.
I like that. Do you trust this printer?
No.
Do you trust this printer? No.
It
No.
could have been a T1000 in disguise.
I do not trust this printer. What do you think, Marcus? Do you trust the printer?
No.
Come
No.
with me if you want to live.
Come with me if you want to live. All right.